Hi, my name is Lars and I'm responsible for the Doro support. Now I will show you how to avoid to update the Google Wallet application that right now causes us some trouble with the Doro 8050 and the Doro 8080 smartphones. So after you have made a factory reset or a hard reset, please press on the Play Store here and go up to the upper right corner where you see you have your account. For me, it's an L because my name is Lars. Press here. Go down to the Manage Apps and Devices. Press here. Press. Right now, there is a lot of applications updating for me, so I can see here, see details. And here you have the Google Wallet application. And as you can see, all the other applications are updating right now, but not this one. And why is that? Yes, that's because I have clicked on the application icon, gone to the three dots in the upper corner. I have disabled this one, so it looks like this from the beginning. It looks like this probably on your phone, but please click it and it will be like this, a white square. And this is to avoid to update the Google Wallet application automatically. So please do this and don't click update. Don't use the application until you can find more information on the Doro web page under support, where we will get you notified when the application is up and running again. We have just made an emergency case for Google to fix this problem. So, a short recap from the beginning. Play Store. Press on your account on the upper right corner. Manage apps and devices. Find your Google Wallet application. Click on the left side. Make sure it's unmarked here. This will avoid the update of this application, and that will avoid your phone to crash again. Good luck, and if you have any problem, please don't hesitate to contact our superb support. You find the contact information on our webpage. Goodbye.